We are Rise Extensions. Here is a look at our hands-on extension workshop, taught by Emily Taylor and Casey Martikainen.
It's all in the details, honey. Truth or dare. 'Cause I'm better than a millionaire, better than a millionaire.
Students will learn how to build a track and install hand-tied extensions using our Rise method. Our class is also designed to teach stylists how to work smarter behind the chair.
Just what you say.
Rise Extensions. Created to help stylists grow their business and level up behind the chair, all while giving their clients the hair of their dreams.
What you say.